Radhe Radhe sabhi praniyo ko. For those who doesn't know me, this is Arvionix and I welcomes you to the channel. Whoever who go through this channel and checked any of our video knows that this channel is made for something really big and new. You may see challenges, learnings, skill development and problem solving ideas on this channel. So this time I realized that don't we get tired of watching those lectures and getting addicted to listening. So for the very first time on YouTube, I am presenting audio series for complete revision of JEE Main Plus Advanced just through audio. Literally, just imagine you can cover the whole chapter just by listening to this. You can just have headphones with you and listen to this while translating the words into images, and in one go you will end up doing one chapter. So get ready for something really big and new on 5th August because I will be coming up with atomic structure, the very first chapter. At the end, I just wanna say, believe me, you will really find this interesting and helpful. So yeah, see you on 5th August. Till then, peace out. Radhe Radhe Radhe.